Hello guys, hello ladies and gentlemen. Leo nimeamua niwa introduce niwasalimie formally, yeah, in a formal way, ladies and gentlemen. Ama if there is a newcomer kwa hii YouTube channel, let me introduce him or her as my distinguished guest. Leo kizungu mani, kizungu jo imeanza ku come through, imeanza kuni hit up. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, Queen of Hustlers, obvious Queen of Hustlers YouTube channel, where you get to learn, be entertained, and you just feel like watching and watching and watching, keep watching the Queen of Hustlers content. This is where you learn things, you learn how to live a simple life in a simple way without struggling, and the best of life. That's it. So my beautiful people, today's content, I'll be showing you how to dismantle and how to kutengeneza a breast pump. You know, si kutengeneza, obvious. You know, you buy a breast pump, a manual breast pump, that is, because hey, technology nayo imekam. There is a manual breast pump na kuna yenye inatumia electricity. Hey, oh my god. Electricity, me was like steamer apana. Steamer, me put those cups here and then I connect kwa steamer. He, na kama nitapigwa shock, na kama kunanyesha alafu acha nisiseme vituko vingi ama nianze kuingisha wenye wanazitumia phobia, you know. Me, I just decided I want a manual breast pump for the moms. You know why? You know, maybe you're working and you need to leave your baby with your nanny ama with your family member. You know, you have to pump your milk ndo waachie ndo mtoto asikuwe stress. You know, that's it. Ama like, hey, being a new mom, nakuambia it's stress. Like mtoto anakuanga like adapted to one of the breast, hataki ku breastfeed kwa hii breast ingine, and so ina crack somehow, hataki, so you una feel pain because the milk inaendelea tu kujitengenezea uko ndani, so your breast ina end up ina end up kukua, what do we call it, inafura, yani ina end up kufura because of the milk. So ikifura hivyo, the pain yenye unasikia, hey, me one day I cried and I was like, kai so that's when I decided to order my pump, because for me bado sija resume work, so bado me I'm still nursing my baby. Yes, so I had to pump it time maziwa iko mob, so na preserve yo maziwa na pump time mtoto hataki ku breastfeed one of the breasts. Sasa to avoid cancers and all those stuff, ama by the way, do human beings get this disease yenye inaitangwa mastitis? Yeah, nadhanianga ni ya ng'ombe. Sijui kama binadamu anaweza ipata, I don't know. That's why I preferred to use a breast pump to get one. And usijitese mama yangu, breast pump, going for a manual one, and it's a simple way to use it. And I bought it 1,000, you know, 1,000 bob. And I just went to one of the website huku kwa mababy shops, now that the zimejazana tu. All you have to do is get to one of their website, unachagua tu yenye unataka, get to their website, order, and they do delivery, unaletwa mpaka kwa mlango. Napenda hii maisha, napenda, because kitambo sasa una have to kubebana na mtoto wako, unaenda kutafuta kununua chenye unataka. If not that, you have to kutafuta mtu ndo mtume. So today I was going to teach you, you know, inakujanga hivi but haiko packed hivi, yani haiko mantled hivi, haijatengenezwa hivi, inakujanga kama iko dismantled, every part iko on its own. So it's up to you kuitengeneza ikuje hivi till inaweza work. That is how I'm going to teach you today, because you also need to know that how to dismantle it ndo we clean vizuri. You know, if you don't clean it well, hiyo milk yenye una pump inaendanga to some of places ina clot, inakaa kama inashikana tu, and then the next time when you come pump it again, pump it and you feed the baby that milk, inaanza kumletea magonjwa. Unasikia mtoto ameanza kuhara, ameanza kuwa na kuumwa na tumbo, and you don't know, you know. So I'm going to teach you how to do it, and then bado I'm going to show you how to, what do you call it, how to kujifunga your belt, maternity belt. Is that how we call it, maternity belt? The other belt, sorry, the other people who call it a waist trainer. You know, in a strain, a waist strainer, in a train you potty now, because your stomach inakuwa ni potty. That's what I'm going to do. So step 1, there is this kifuniko over here, and inakujanga na box smart sana. You see, box smart box yenye unaweza tumia kupanga vitu zako, ama you still preserve it in there. So there is this, the white cover like that. Unaitoa, hii inafunika, once you pump your milk, unafunika hivi, unafunika ndo any dust particles zisiingie kwa hiyo maziwa. And then there is this part, hii ni rubber, inakaa rubber, I don't know its name, but unaifix hapa, me I don't know its name, inakaa rubber. So when you're pumping ina soothe your breast, ni kind of ina massage your breast. That's the purpose of it, because you can pump without it na hii stuff too. So aka main purpose ni kukaka kama kana massage your breast. Then there is this thing over here, unaitoa, hii ni ya kushikilia aka kitu, this thing ya kufanya hivi ya kupump. And then there is this stuff over here, you see, hiyo bado ni ya kupump. And then unafunguanisha hivi, this is the cup where you put the kamunyonyi. By the way, there are some stuffs zenye sijawaletea hapa, because hii kikombe yake iko na kifuniko ya kamunyonyi where baby sucks the milk. And then there is in fact hii kitu kenye kako hapa ndani, hapa ndo kila kitu hapa. So your milk inakujanga inakaa hapa, inaklotia hapa, inashikania hapa, you know.